Okay, self-driving demonstration, 2024 Honda Ridgeline. I've got the COMNOVA 3X, okay, and it's allows the vehicle to do more autonomy, self-driving, especially on the freeways. I'm going to just bump it down to 79 miles per hour. It's driving good. It's working well. It stays really centered. I'm in the left lane. You can see it's staying in the lane lines, and I've got nobody in front of me right now. It maintains a good distance, closer distance than regular standard open pilot. I'm running SUNNYPILOT software on the COMNOVA 3X. In the description, I'll put the link where you can download that. I was running COMNOVA open pilot, the standard OEM stock version, and I've been doing that since COMNOVA first came out. I think it was around like 2018 when COMNOVA first came out. I was one of the early adopters to get it. It had a lot of bugs at the beginning, but it changed really quick and got much better pretty fast with a lot of updates. I'm really liking it, guys. It's working really well. It says touch steering wheel. It's probably checking out my eyes and everything, just making sure I'm paying attention. But you can see it's taking the curves just fine. You know, just going about a little bit over the speed limit, and it's something I would recommend. What do I think about the Honda Ridgeline? So far, I love it, guys. I had a 2023 Ridgeline. I put over 40,000 miles in that before I traded mine in for a 2024 Ridgeline. 2024 came with a couple extras. It's got ventilated seats down here, which I really like, and heated seats. So that's the bonus. Also in the back seat, you have your passengers have heated seats in the back seat as well. Not that my passengers use it all the time, but probably going to be nice to have in the winter time when it gets chilly. I love the heated steering wheel in this Honda Ridgeline. Honestly, I use the heated steering wheel quite a bit. The heated seats, you know, my wife loves it. People love it. Honestly, I kind of get hot naturally, so I don't use it too often unless it's super cold outside. What else do I like about this? It's got I like the center console. The center console. This is really nice to have as well. Yeah, it's doing great. I drove this vehicle for a little bit without any driving assistance, without the COMNOVA 3X, and honestly, I wasn't too happy with its performance. It didn't do a very good job of lane centering. This does a really good job of lane centering, and I'm liking it. So just wanted to give you guys a demonstration here of how it's working out and some quick updates on why I like my 2024 Ridgeline. Transmission's been running good. You gotta be good with your fluids. I change my engine oil about every roughly 4,000 miles, give or take. And my transmission fluid, I already changed it around 11,000 miles. I'll do another change probably in maybe 30,000 miles, 25 to 30,000 miles. I'll probably do the transmission again. I do like to add some additives. I think it just makes the transmission shift a lot smoother, to be honest. I'll put all that in the description. I use Lucas. No, not Lucas. I use Lucas oil treatment for the engine, but I use Lube Guard for the transmission as well, and it just drives much more smoother. I'm all about optimizing this Honda Ridgeline, making it drive the best it can, and it's working out well for me. I'm loving it so far. We'll see how long I keep this for. I've been known to keep my vehicles for a couple years, and then I usually buy a new one, but I have a feeling I'm going to keep this one here for a while, because I like it. I like the things that I've added to it. I would love to lift the vehicle, to be honest. That's probably like the last thing I probably would love to do on this. I'd love to give it another 2 to 3 inches, honestly, but I just don't know if that's going to wear out the CV joints, the axles, the lower control arms. Like, all that stuff matters, you know, and I just didn't want to wear it all out. But I do wish that this vehicle had at least an extra 1.5 to 2 inches taller. I might put in the leveling kit, but I kind of like the back end a little more, just a little bit higher than the front. So I'm not really a fan of the squatted truck look, but you know, that's, hey, everybody's got their own opinions on that. Tell me what you think of your Honda Ridgeline. Let me know how yours is going. It's been self-driving here. I've got a long trip that I've got to do quite frequently, but it's cruising, and it's cruising along just fine. Here comes a really sharp right curve. Let's see how well it does going at this speed. I might need to assist it. We will see. Actually, it's doing a pretty good job. Actually, it's doing a really good job. You can kind of see it turning there. So, pretty pleased overall. I feel like I always have a lot more energy after driving this vehicle because of the driver assist with the COMNOVA 3X. We'll see if the COMNOVA comes out with anything better in the future. If they do, I might be interested in trying it out. I had the COMNOVA 2 for a long time, probably for about like 3-4 years before I upgraded to the 3X. I actually still have the COMNOVA 2 as a backup, and it does work well, actually. I'm surprised, like, it works really well for the first generation self-driving hardware. So anyways, let me know what you think.